Hi guys! So today, I'm going to discuss to you the two dishes that I have chosen from the country of Thailand. And I am also going to discuss the biomolecules and the structure that are present in the ingredient. So the first dish will be the som tom or the spicy green papaya salad. This dish is one of the popular food in Thailand. Hailing from the northeast state of Asia, it is a Thai dish of sour fruits and vegetables as green papayas pounded together in a mortar. The main ingredient of this is papayas. Carbohydrates are the present biomolecules in this kind of dish. And now, let us move on to the ingredients. The first ingredient will be the one small papaya, green and ripe and firm. Carbohydrates is the present biomolecule, and this is a polypeptide because its molecules consist of chain with 212 amino acid. Its functions is to break down proteins by addition of water molecule. The second ingredient will be the one clove garlic minced. Carbohydrates is still the present biomolecule, and the structure of this is monosaccharides. It is widely used as a traditional remedy for the treatment of diabetes. And for the third ingredient, that would be the one red chili pepper, sliced and seeds removed. Still, the present biomolecules in this ingredient is carbohydrates, and it is also a monosaccharides. The next ingredient will be the 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. Protein is the present biomolecule, and its structure is peptide. It is a salt-soluble protein in the form of amino acids and peptide. Then after the 2 tablespoons of the fish sauce, that would be followed by the 2 tablespoons of vegetable oils. Obviously, lipids is the present biomolecule, and triglycerides will be the present structure. We're almost done discussing the ingredients of the first dish. So now, let us move on to the fourth to the last ingredient. And that would be the 3 tablespoons of lime juice. In these ingredients, carbohydrates is the present biomolecule, and the structure will be the monosaccharides. The next ingredient will be the 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Because of its name sugar, of course, carbohydrates is still the biomolecule in these ingredients, and disaccharides will be the present structure. So for the second to the last ingredient, it would be the 5 green beans. Carbohydrates and monosaccharides are the present biomolecules and structure in this ingredient. So we are down now to the last ingredient, and that would be the 1 cup cherry tomatoes. Carbohydrates are the present biomolecule, but the present structure of this ingredient will be the polysaccharides. So now, we are done discussing the different kinds of biomolecules and structure of its ingredients in our first dish. Now, let us move on to our second dish. That would be the gaing daeng or the red curry. Still, it is one of the popular food in Thailand. Thai red curry is the testament to the prosperity of Thai natural resources and creativity of Thai people. And proteins will be the present biomolecule in this dish. And now, we are going to discuss the biomolecules and the structure that are present in this kind of dish. So, the first ingredient will be the one boneless chicken breast. Proteins is the present biomolecule in these ingredients, and its structure is a polysaccharide. And for the next, it would be the 1 can bamboo shoot sliced. For this ingredient, protein and carbohydrates is the present biomolecule, and they contain phytosterols and a high amount of fiber that can be labeled or natural medicines. And for the third ingredient, that would be the 3 tablespoons of red curry paste. Protein and disaccharides will be the present biomolecules and structure of this ingredient. This food is a good source of protein and a very good source of dietary fiber. And for the next ingredient, it would be the 2 cups of coconut milk. Proteins And disaccharides, of course, will be the present biomolecules and structure of these ingredients. As we know that milk proteins are known for their high nutritive value of diverse functional properties. So after the 2 cups of coconut milk, it will be followed by the 2 fresh red chili. Carbohydrates are the present biomolecule and monosaccharides will be the present structure. So we are almost done discussing the ingredients. And for the third to the last, it would be the 1/2 cup of sweet Thai basil leaves. Lipids are the present biomolecules and the present structure will be the monosaccharides. It is known to possess a strong antioxidant activities due to its aromatic compound. So that would be followed by the 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. Proteins and disaccharides are the present biomolecules and the present structure in this ingredient. And for the last but not the least ingredient, that would be the 1 1/2 palm sugar. Obviously, by the name sugar, the present biomolecules will be the carbohydrates and the present structure will be the disaccharides. So, I am done discussing the different kinds of biomolecules and structures in different kinds of ingredients. And that would be all, and I hope you learned something.